Welcome back to my channel. My name is Alyssa. If you're new around here, go ahead and subscribe for me because as soon as I reach 1,000 subscribers, I am going skydiving for you guys. And you can follow me on Instagram over here at Crafty and Albany. Now today, hang on, the dog's coming. Tony! What a good dog. You're a good boy. So today we are actually going to be doing an old makeup trend, and by old I mean I think this was popular maybe a year or two ago. I'm just kind of obsessed with trying makeup looks. Like we did the latte makeup trend and I think that one was my favorite. We also did the sugar plum fairy, the I'm cold makeup look. Comment down below some more like recent makeup looks that I should try because I'd like to try those, but this is like one of the only ones that was like showing up again and again on my feed for some reason. So we're doing that today. So what I keep seeing online for this one is like very light foundation, or I guess they use skin tints most of the time. I don't have skin tint, so instead we're going to be just using a little bit of foundation. I do want to try a skin tint because I feel like I'd like that better than foundation anyway, because I don't like really heavy makeup. Like I don't like the way it feels on my face. But also foundation gets on everything. And I don't know if a skin tint does or not, but I feel like, I don't know, I'd like it better. But yeah, we're just gonna be putting on a teeny bit of foundation here. I'm in the middle of packing because we're moving again. I know we haven't been here for very long, but we're moving again. And I'm in the middle of packing and I realized I packed up my little mirror that I use to do these makeup videos, but I was already planning on filming this. I mean, I probably won't show it in the video, but I'll probably get up multiple times to go look in the half bath mirror over that way so I can make sure that this is going on correctly. I feel like in a lot of videos they either do or don't use concealer, but I'm going to use a little bit because my eyes always look super tired. So I'm just gonna put some of this concealer under my eyes and nowhere else. Man, I've never done this without a mirror, but I feel like I know what it's like muscle memory at this point, right? I'm gonna quickly go blend this in the mirror. Okay, oddly enough, I feel like the little makeup beauty blenders help me distribute all of it, but then to actually blend it into the rest of my face, I feel like I use this brush like a lot because I feel like it just kind of like gets rid of those harsh lines that I don't like. Like I want it to not look like I put on concealer as much as possible. Alright, I'm sick and tired of going back and forth between the bathrooms, so I think I'm gonna try and use my phone camera from now on to see what I'm doing. This look is supposed to look a lot more like natural, but with like a lot of blush. That makes sense. Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna put on bronzer. Except this time I'm gonna be using my phone camera so I can actually see what I'm doing. And I'm going to be using, I've already talked about this in my last video, but this is like my absolute favorite brush for putting on literally everything. Especially, I use it a lot for bronzer and blush. This is my bronzer and blush brush. I don't even know if that's how you're supposed to use this brush, but I like it, so don't come for me in the comments. I don't know how to do makeup, and yet it works. Oh, my hair looks like a mess. Look at that. Ooh, ooh. Okay, anyways. And then of course they take bronzer up and around the forehead as well. And then what I saw this one girl doing her tutorial, she just took some bronzer down the sides of her nose, and then a little bit underneath. And next, the absolute most important part of this makeup look, the blush, which I forgot. So I will go grab it. Hang on. So this right here is the blush that I'm going to be using today. Now this is the most vibrant shade of blush that I have. For the Tomato Girl look, they have a really red looking blush, but I don't have one. This is, like I said, the most vibrant brush this is the most vibrant blush that I do have, so we're going to be using this. And from what I've seen, they put it on the cheeks, leaning into the nose, but mostly the cheeks. I don't really think this blush placement really suits me very well, but it's what we're working with. and it's how the look goes, so we are going to trust the process, as they all say. Alright, so for the next thing that they do go back with the bronzer for the eyelid, which is, if you have been watching my makeup videos before, you know that using blush or bronzer as my eye makeup is one of my favorite makeup hacks, just because it saves me so much time. So easy, and it looks so good. So yeah, that's kind of what we're doing for this look. I just need the camera, and I'm going to be using this brush right here. We're just going to take it a little bit, and then put it on the outer bit of the eyelid, working it out a little bit. And this is our base color. And they even took a little bit of bronzer to the under eyelid. Just need my camera. Sorry guys, as soon as I move, if I make more makeup videos, then they'll be better with preferably a mirror next time. Take a bit of the bronzer and go under the eye. Okay, so I'm gonna get a little bit of blush, put it on my finger, and then put it on my eye. Wow, I actually really like that. I'm gonna just do the other one now. Ta-da! All right, and now we get to put on the mascara, and I feel like, so I have this brown mascara, and I feel like it is more fitting for this look than like a black mascara, because if this look's supposed to be like more natural, and a lot of the colors that we've used so far have been more natural colors, so definitely going to be using brown mascara for this look. It's kind of funny to see the difference that mascara makes, right? Mascara and mascara. I feel like it sometimes pulls an entire look together within seconds. With mascara done now, we have eyebrows left to do, and I think highlighter. Let's get on with the eyebrows. Now again, this is a very natural look, so what I've seen people doing is just like barely outlining them and to make them look thicker, and then shaping them to their natural shape and then leaving it. I have seen a lot of girls taking eyebrow gel to it, but I don't like eyebrow gel. It's never worked out very well for me, so we're not doing that. I went a little bit too hard on that side, but it's okay because we blend it in now. All right, and then I did see a lot of people add faux freckles. I have freckles, but the foundation covers them up pretty well, so I'm gonna add some more back in with the same eyebrow pencil that I took here earlier. So we're just going to add just a few on the nose. It looks like she took like a little bit of highlighter. I'm gonna use this white one because it's my absolute favorite of all time. Love this highlighter. And we're just gonna take some on my finger. And she does like a very small amount. And she does it right here and brings it up a little. And then she takes a little bit more and brings it up. Ta-da! Now, I believe this makeup look is almost over. I think we just have lips left, I think. So she uses lip liner, which I'm very bad at using. And then she uses blush, and then like a lip balm to go over it to make it look shiny. So, we're gonna have to improvise a little bit. I only have Vaseline. That's what we're gonna use. And also, I'm really sorry, I'm definitely going to butcher the lip liner. I suck at it. Either that or my lips just don't look good with lip liner. Hang on, I gotta show you guys this. Whenever I'm doing makeup, I have a habit of taking the lids off of the products, and I have ripped jeans on right now, and I'm just like tucking them there because I have no table or anything to use. But I'm tucking them right there, and that's where they're staying until I'm done using them. I hate it so much, guys. I hate it so much. All right, and then she took that blush that she used earlier and put it on her lip. I have a powder blush, but I'm assuming it'll work fine. And that is it for the completed look. But as always, we have to take the hair down to see what it really looks like. I feel like hair and makeup together make the look. All All right, so that's it for that makeup look. I actually really like this. Like, it actually turned out way better than I thought it would. As far as makeup looks, I feel like it just looks like a normal makeup look. There's nothing like too extraordinary about it, but it's pretty cute. I like it a lot. Let me know what look you guys want to see next, because I would love to do more of these videos in the future. And before I go, make sure that you subscribe, because as soon as I reach 1,000 subscribers, I will be doing skydiving for you guys. And you can follow me on Instagram over here at Crafty Novel Geek. And remember that self-love is half learned and half earned. You learn to love the things about yourself that you can't change, like the shape of your nose. And you earn love by changing what you can. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!